Greetings, my wonderful followers. It is another beautiful day. It is Monday. And as you can see behind me, maybe you can't, but I'll try to pan around that tree right there. I will be cutting today. So I'm trying to get as much footage as I can. I still haven't put out the other video. Well, by the time you see this, the other one should have been out by now. Anyway, to keep it short and simple, we are cutting trees today. And I have to get it loaded on this and let me get set up and we'll be back. I'm back. So essentially, this is a closer look at the tree. Let me switch it around so you can get a better look of it. Bam. That's what I have right there. So it'll be easy to remove the root ball from cutting it up from here and making it over there. I might just back my trailer up as close as possible so I won't have to carry those pieces too far. But yes, this is what we're working with today, and we hope, or I hope, that you like the footage. I think I did a video on this yard, which I not think, but I did, about blowing all the leaves into the wood line with the little wonder. That was the first time I did it or used it, and if you haven't seen it, it should be a little cue in the post in the next couple minutes. Look for that, or just go to my channel and look at it. But yes, it was a pretty awesome video. It was cold that day and raining. So with that being said, let me get this set up. Well, as you can see, I haven't got set up yet, but I just got this to running. This is my baby. This is the beast that I'll be working with today. Oh, can you see it? Can you? Yeah. And I just got permission from the neighbor to go in his yard and cut that half of the tree off. So I'm about to go over there and get my electric hedge trimmer and cut off the little small pieces. And then I'll start using that. I just wanted to get her warm because she hasn't been started in a while. So it's sunny out. I need to get my hearing protection and my my shade. So let me get that stuff and I'll get y'all set up. So this is it from this side of the fence line. Yeah. So, well, you know what? I might not need my electric hedge trimmers because I could just cut the little small pieces off first and then just toss it over and then rake everything up after that. But yeah. Well, maybe, yeah, I just start with the chainsaw and go from there. Then if I need the electric, I will go to it. So sorry about that, guys. Man, that was a good shot. But what I'm doing right now is just getting the pieces I just cut up, go ahead, toss them over the fence and load it on the trailer. So I don't want to get too much cut and then have to sit here and just, you know, keep going back and forth. So I'm trying to get what I can now. And then again, I might change my mindset and just go ahead and cut the rest of the tree and then load it. But as of right now, this is what I'm finna get. At least get this stuff off his side of the property. Yeah, man. Alright guys, so that's not making sense to me. To cut, move, then have to move it a second time to the trailer. So what I'm going ahead and do is just cut up the rest of the tree, get everything down, and then just move everything to the trailer at one time. But yeah, cause I'm tired already. But no, I'll be back right with y'all. Now it's time to get everything cut up from the other side of the fence. Alright guys, see, that didn't take too long. But now all I gotta do is get the rest of these pieces knocked down or whatnot. But let me show you. I guess I can go probably down to about, if you can see that right here and right there. I thought the root was all the way out, but it's not. So I'm not even finna try to fight to get it up out of here. It's pretty much dead anyway. So he was just really concerned about getting it off of the fence. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this little piece right here and then come on down with that and then start moving that stuff to the trailer. So better yet, I felt maybe y'all wanting to see me go ahead and cut it down some, so I do that. I don't know. I'll find out. Hope you like it. That's as far as I'm going down, because if I go any further, I'm getting into all this other stuff, and I don't want to mess up my chain. It's already, I can tell it's getting dull. But yeah, so let me get y'all set up close to the truck, and I start dragging this stuff over there. partially dead anyway. See if there's a guy just standing at the top of the driveway. I might have just won myself some more work, so I'll be back, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm back. A potential customer, that's all I can say. They wanted some junk removed from the back of their house, and I ain't gonna lie, I told him $400 for a full load. He said, 400? Yeah. I said, but right now I'm giving a New Year's special 23% off, so he'll drop it down to 308. And he was like, oh, well, I'll give you a call. Okay, cool. Price ain't gonna change. And I said it end at the end of this week. Today is Monday, so you probably got it. I'll give you till Sunday. Other than that, my price is gonna stay the same, and I'm not playing around with these folk no more. So if he's interested, he want the stuff removed, cool. And the only reason why I dropped it down a little bit because he had a dirt bike over there, and I was thinking that I could have got it for my son, fixed it up, and give it to him because he's been wanting to get one. It's a little Kawasaki, look like a 80 or 125. But other than that, $400, buddy. And after a while, you know what? Let me get back to this tree because I'll say some stuff and I don't want to offend nobody or say nothing wrong. But I appreciate y'all watching me. This is not the end of this video, but I appreciate y'all watching me. And I try to put in news nuggets in there here and there, so that was a news nugget. All right, y'all want to hear something funny? My little bucket I normally bring with me, I made mistake and left it, the trash can. Honestly, I don't even know where I put it. But I'm gonna try to load some of these logs on here, bring them over, because I ain't finna keep just walking back and forth single by single. But yeah, let me get back to it. You got. All right, y'all. So I pretty much got everything from this side. Let me clean up over here, and then I get y'all on the other side. I got 2 more long pieces out now. I'm just cutting them in half because I don't feel like dragging them. But probably when I get this over there, I'll probably cut this nut too. So see, that what they make it. But I'll be back. All right, guys, I think we're gonna do it for this one. So let me get the rest of this loaded up on the trailer and get some of that stuff cut down so it can sit a little bit lower, and I will do an outro. But yeah, this is Tinson's tree removal services. All right, I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So everything is loaded. And the reason why it looks like this is because I haven't squished it down yet. So with that being said, like I said, with that being said, this is going to be the end of this video. And once again, I appreciate y'all watching. I've noticed I got some more subscribers, so I appreciate y'all very much as well. But the last thing I want to say is, as far as your prices, when you tell a person a price, leave it at that. Let them decide if they want to, go with your price or somebody else. Don't change your price just because you may need the money right then. Because in the long run, it could hurt you. Like I told the customer about the jump removal across the street, hey, that's my price. If you want to go with me, then go ahead. If you want to get other estimates, I'm cool with that. But yeah, man, 2023 is starting to pick back up. So with that being said, I know I say that a lot, don't I? With that being said, I'm gonna have to change that up. Anyway, as always, I appreciate y'all. Thank you for the ones who subscribe, the ones that are watching that's not subscribed, because I be seeing y'all too. I know y'all watching my channel, but I appreciate it. Anyway, I'll see y'all. Nope. Y'all will see me in the next one.